everyone. Today let us discuss about how to score maximum marks by studying for 45 days, as we have just around 45 days remaining for CPJET as well as NSET, Nutrition and Dietetics examination. So let us see how we can prepare in the 45 days, how we can prepare the entire syllabus in the 45 days. So first of all, the first thing that we need to be is we have to understand the syllabus. We have total 5 units, right? Starting with nutritional biochemistry, food science, nutrition for family, therapeutic nutrition, and lastly community nutrition. We have 5 units, so thoroughly read the syllabus, understand the syllabus, and only study the topics that are there in the syllabus, and don't study the topics which are not relevant to the syllabus. So first of all, go through the syllabus thoroughly, right? The next thing is be consistent. So consistency is very important, because as you see, we have just 45 days remaining. If you have prepared a lot, and if you have completed your syllabus, making the notes and everything in the last 6 to 4 months, like you have been preparing for the past 6 to 4 months for this test, then don't stop preparing now. Continue your preparation and be consistent, because this is the time, very crucial time for you. If you prepare thoroughly and revise thoroughly now, you can easily score very good rank in CPJET as well as NSET, right? The next thing is focus on the important nutrients. We have two main important nutrients. First is nutritional biochemistry, which is very important question, very important unit. You can expect around 15, minimum 15 questions you can expect from this unit. And the next one is therapeutic nutrition. So therapeutic nutrition is also a very important unit, but in the last year, that in CPJ 2024, you did not get many questions from this unit, but every year you get at least like 10 to 15 questions from this unit. So be thorough in these two units, because these two units have a lot of weightage, right? Next is try to create a plan. Okay, try to create a plan based upon the weightage of topics. Means, like for example, for every unit, if you're giving 7 days, like 1 week for every unit you can give, right? We have 5 units, so for every unit you can give 7 days 1 week, and you can also increase the number of days based upon the weightage. So first start with nutritional biochemistry, read that thoroughly, and next start with the next unit. So first what you have to do is, because you just have a specified number of days, try to create a timetable, try to create a plan first. Okay, I'll finish this in this much number of days. In that way, try to create a plan. Okay, because without a plan it is difficult to be consistent, and without a plan it is also difficult to be disciplined. So create a plan, a timetable, whatever it suits you, and plan how you are going to finish the units in how many number of days. Clearly plan that. Next one is conceptual understanding. Conceptual understanding is important, because just without remembering, without understanding the concepts, if you're just memorizing the things, memorizing the answers, memorizing the points, that doesn't help you. Conceptual understanding is very important, because sometimes very basic and easy questions are asked from the concepts. So if concept is clear, it is very easy for you to score around 40 to 50 marks, right? Okay, next, solve previous year question papers. Yes, again a very important point. Previous year question papers you have to solve, because at least 20 questions will be repeated from the previous year question papers. You will get at least 20 questions. Sometimes as it is, the same question will be asked, or the same question will be slightly twisted in a different way, it will be asked. Okay, so go through the previous year question papers thoroughly. Next thing that you can do is make a list of the important topics based on the previous year question papers. Okay, I'm already posting a lot of important topics daily. I'm posting videos related to a lot of important topics that are important for the exam, that have been asked many times in the previous years. So you can also try to make up which topics are important for the exam, which you have to focus upon more. Okay, first go through those topics, and then you can go through the remaining topics. Lastly is try to solve mock test papers, right? Try to solve mock test papers. And lastly, revise the notes. Okay, as number of times as you can, try to revise the notes again and again, because you have total 5 units, and it is difficult to remember every single point. Okay, obviously it is a difficult thing to remember everything from the 5 large vast units, so you have to revise again and again. Okay, so at least you have to revise every unit 3 to 4 times. Only then you will be able to recollect and remember the points. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the paper pattern. Go through the previous year question papers. Look at the type of questions that they ask you. They also ask assertion and reason questions. And last year in 2024, they asked at least 3 to 4 questions like match the following type of questions have been asked. Okay, so go through the paper pattern, try to familiarize yourself with the paper pattern. So these were some of the tips that will be helpful for you for studying in these 45 days and completing your syllabus. I hope this video is helpful for all of you. Like, subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video if you found it helpful.